Hello, my friend. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today, I'm going to test the 950 grams rice on this vertical packing machine. The model number of this machine is ATM 320C, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. Okay, let me run this machine to show you how it works. Look at this part. It is our touch screen. Let us choose English. Start the machine. Okay, let's start the machine. Let's check the finish bag and the sealing of the bag, vertical sealing of the bag. It is state printed result. And the sealing of the bag. Printing information. Vertical sealing of the bag.